Okay, today I'm talking about Adam's car shampoo. I've got some Tesco Adam's car shampoo, which is in this bottle here. See, it's got a white lid, and the genuine Adam's shampoo from Prestige Cars is on the left with the black lid. Now originally it came in a bottle that was longer and thinner, but the weight was the same. What I've done, I bought 3 of these shampoos, the Tesco one, so that I can decant from one to another to get the things the same. So what I've done, I've waited days for them to drain out, and you can see the height is the same, absolutely identical when I've swapped the bottle. And then when I put it on the scale, that's zeroed. Look, I put it on, put the same one on, the other one on, and we're zeroed. So the weight's the same. So that would rather indicate to me that it's possible it could be the same shampoo. It even looks the same colour. If we get it in the light, I'm away on holiday at the moment in the caravan, so it's a useful tool for doing this. And the light's the same, look, the colour's the same. So really, I think it might be the same. I've not mixed any water or anything. So the next step that I'm going to do, I've got some big ball bearings, and I bought them and dropped them in it to hopefully measure the time for them hitting the bottom. But they hit the bottom that fast, it's impossible to measure the time. So I've devised another method now for measuring the viscosity. I'm going to set it up for doing that, and we'll have a look to see if the viscosity is the same. Now I've just taken the labels off so that I can see clearly through them. And I've got these 2 huge ball bearings. I've just dropped one, and I'll just drop one in because you'll see there's no measuring the time on this. Look, so no chance of measuring the time on that. So what we're going to do, the bottles are nicely stuck together from the glue from the labels. I put the lids on. And what I'm going to do is to tip them on the side. This table that I'm on lifts up, it's on an hinge. So I'm going to reset it up now, put it on the hinge, and then we can look at the balls going down, and we can see which one hits the bottom first to see if there is a difference in the viscosity. We'll try that. Right, here we go. Quite carefully, the ball is here at the top here, and very difficult to see. Keep your eye on them. Table's going up. You can see one going well in front of the other one, look. One's at the bottom. Now the other one's at the bottom. And that's the USA Adams one is much more viscous than the Tesco one. So there's definitely a difference in that as well. Just showing that the bottles are absolutely lined up, look. And the table's on an hinge. And, the caravan's as level as I can get it, so here we go, let's do it again. Just to prove it, you can see the ball at the top, the ball at the top. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go. And the one on the left set off already, look. The one on the right's nowhere near, look. Still going down. One on the left's at the bottom. and the Adams USA is at the bottom now. So without a doubt, it's a lot more viscous. This at the 4 ounces, it recommends 2 to 4 ounces. So I'm going to put 4 ounces in this with up to a litre. So there we go. I'll mix this up now. So it's 4 ounces we need to put in. If we look at this here, if you can zoom into that. Okay, that's 30 mils, which is 1 ounce. So we need 4 of these, up to 30 mil. As you can see, loads left in the pot there. Crazy big surface. I'm going to do a test against the Tesco, this is the original Adams USA version. I'm going to do another test. Tesco Adam version versus this genuine Adams. I say genuine because it is different. I've already established it's different. There's some other tests I've already done. I need to complete the test and I'll do a video of it. And we'll see where we are there. There we go. So there's 4 ounces. Look at this. Just pour some water into it. Wash it out. You can see myself, it's still super thick now. You can't wash it out. It's really, really thick stuff. This. I don't make it. We'll find out. There we go. That's pretty clean now. Right, so what I'm doing now, I'm going to fill this up to the litre mark. Keep washing this out. Someone wash that now. Yep, nearly clean. That's something out. We're going down side of the neck of this, trying to mix it in as I do it. I'll get a shake for it, but I'll get it to it. It's not mixed up in, I'm going to get there. Don't like things not being right. Get it touched out. I've already put a lid because the table's round it, it's not perfect. There we go, we're up to 1,000 there. So put this on. Trying to make that now that the blue at the bottom gets that mixed in, because if I don't, we're never ever going to have a good result on this. It'd be like having a cup of tea with your sugar at the bottom and you can't taste it because you've not stirred it. And we don't want that. Okay, so now we're using the Adams USA. Start, look at the thickness. Look at how thick and creamy it is. And let's have a look how long that sticks to it. Now, bearing in mind the car wasn't dry this time, so it should be easier for it to run off. But just look at that. I've never seen snow foam do that before. I've never seen it stick like that before. Now I understand why people go for this, because that's cleaning all the while it's on. The other ones, it might be thick and creamy, thicker and creamy, but if it's running off the car, it's not actually doing anything, and that's actually staying on the car. So we've got it's actually working while it's doing that. Fantastic. I'll come back to that in a few minutes. We'll see. In fact, I'll carry on and do the rest of the car. Just keep that filming if you don't mind, and let's see how long that stays before it runs off. It's really sticky as hell and all. That is so clingy. I've never seen a snow foam like that ever before. Yeah, it's a shampoo, but it to be used as a snow foam as well. It's a dual purpose one. It's incredible. It does exactly what it says on the bottle. They do say that it clings, and they do say that it doesn't produce wood spots, and it's certainly not. I don't know how long to wait. How long's it been going now?
7 minutes.
7 minutes. Normally 5 minutes in this heat and it's dried up. That's just incredible. I'm just going to wash it off because I'm going to be here all day. I'm going to wash it off and then put the Tesco one on. We'll see how long that lasts. I doubt it will last this long. Okay, all washed off and ready for Tesco Adams now. 4 ounces per litre. It's exactly the same as the American. As you can see, it actually goes on thicker, but it immediately starts running off. It's not as clingy at all. It's definitely not the same. It has started to rain a little bit, but that's not causing that. It's only raining, it's drizzling with rain very slightly. But that's absolutely running off, look. It's a very different product, that is. It's stopped raining now. I mean, that's just a very different product. I don't think we're even a minute in now, and it's cleared the top of the windscreen in one place, look. The bonnet's going very patchy. It's just a very different product. It's a shame really, because it's like we're being ripped off in this country. Doesn't say that we're getting a different product, and for £12 for the original American version, from Prestige Cars, and you're getting a very different product that I think is going to last longer and be better value, and I think you get more for your extra £3, because it's £9 for the Tesco one, and I honestly think that's just, I don't think it's very good value for money at all. I mean, just look at it. It's just running off like water. We'll see how long it takes to run off. It's really a very different product, that is. It's proven what I thought. Well, no, I didn't think anything, to be honest with you. I was hoping that we were going to get something decent. I don't think there's any point in. I've tested the tyre one now, and that's very different. Tested the shampoo, and that's very different. I have actually bought the detail spray, and it's so expensive buying all these things to keep testing them, when I've got lots and lots of detail sprays. If I was getting more views off it, you know, and I don't even get paid from YouTube at the moment, so it's not like I'm even making any money. I'm just, yeah, that's just like water. Look at that. That's just, a waste. And let's have a look how far we're in. We're 4 minutes in. We're not even halfway in and that's gone. We'll just call it. We'll call it. That's just a waste. I'm going to hose that off. Yeah. Thanks for looking. I'm sorry this one's been a disappointment, guys. I hope it stops you wasting your money. I hope you're not as disappointed if you have bought it as what I am with it. And I hope my disappointment's not come over too badly to you lot. I'm not too bad, to be truthful, but I've put a lot of work into this and I did expect more than this. I mean, just look at it. It's an absolute, it's useless. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. See you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.